That's not what we want. We want the truth. Because if somebody can come and tell me, Ustad, you are wrong about this ayah. You are wrong in this lecture. Here is why you are wrong. And they prove to me that I am wrong. Then they have done me a favor. They did not insult me. And I said, man, I hate this guy. He proved that I'm wrong. That means that I'm not learning for the truth. That means I'm learning for popularity. I'm learning for a rank. I'm learning for how many followers can I get. I'm learning for how many people appreciate me. And if I just come out and say, hey guys, I said this, I was wrong. Now I know better. I'm going to correct myself. And I'm going to keep on learning. And even this is where I have right now. Maybe next year, I'll learn some more and I'll grow. That growth mentality, when you develop that, you will realize we will be the most powerful people on earth. And it's not even because we want to be. Power and influence will be a byproduct. It will be a second-hand consequence of the actual pursuit of truth. I pray, I genuinely pray, and I wish, and I already start seeing that this generation of people, you guys, you men and women, you're going to be the generation of the pursuit of truth. You're going to be the generation that are going to be brave enough to ask the question, to create the conversation. What's happening, for example, and this is not just about Islam, it's about every field. What's happening in the United States, for example, there are pharmaceutical companies, research going on. They will find medication, but they know that this is going to go against the profit margins, so they will suppress the truth. They will do this in the medical industry. They'll do this in the food industries, other industries. We have to bring that truth out for the service of humanity. None of the fields that you are studying are useless. Don't think, any one of you, that if you're studying engineering, or you're studying biology, you're studying medicine, you're studying architecture, that any of that is any less of a service. When you read the Quran, when Allah told us to read, what did He tell us to read? He said, go look at the mountain. أَفَلَا يَنْظُرُونَ إِلَى الْإِبِلِ. He told us to learn about Dhul Qarnayn, who says, "Atuni zubar al-hadid." Bring me the metals, bring me the copper, let me engineer a bridge. Engineering is in the Quran. Allah says that the man who's going to write the loan, فَلْيَكْتُبْ مِمَّا عَلَّمَهُ اللَّهُ. Let him write from what Allah has taught him. Financial documents became something Allah has taught. It's inspired knowledge. When Allah Azza wa Jalla says, ثُمَّ نَظَرْ ثُمَّ عَبَسَ وَبَصَرْ, He stared, He frowned. Allah is telling us to read faces. He's telling us to read, psychological expressions. The entire science of psychology, sociology, history, engineering, medicine. This is knowledge Allah gave as a gift to humanity. This is divine, this is inspired, and this is part of what the Quran wants us to read. He already said in the very beginning, اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق الإنسان من علق. So studying the alaq became part of my reading. Didn't it? It says, علم الإنسان بالقلم. He taught the human being by the pen. So studying history, studying all of literature, every field, you Muslims, will be the excellence in every last field on earth. Every last one of them. One thing, as I leave you, the one thing you will need and I will need constantly as we do this, the one fuel that will connect us all, build a love among us all, unite us all, inspire us all, that's going to be the Quran. I don't